Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher, Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. Now today we are about to start our first practical using Microsoft Visual Basic. So this is our Microsoft Visual Basic icon. We have to double click on it. Okay, now it has been activated. I have already noted on the objective of the program, and the purpose of our program is to take the user input. Means our program will ask from the user to input the data. Okay, now first of all, click on the new project. Okay, click on the new project, and our objective is to do programming in the console program mode. So here it is, console program. Click on it. Name your program whatever it is. By default it's console application 1. You may change your program name whatever you want. Okay, now click OK. Just wait a moment till it loads this application and resources. Sometimes it takes time to process the information. Now it's here. Okay, this is the module 1 by default, and the sub main and the end sub. This is its module. Solution Explorer, so we do not need to work with the Solution Explorer, which is just for the general knowledge. It shows whatever your project includes. It displays the files here. Okay, now I have already noted down code, so I do not need to type it. I will just click here and press enter, because our code will be placed in this area. Within the module we have to place our code here. So I already noted down, and now I'm pasting my code. This is the code. Dim variable name as a string. Okay, console.write means it will be the output display that enter your name. It will ask the user to input the name. Variable name, of course, whatever you type it will read the line, means it will wait for your input. Now console.write line, it does not write anything. It is a null value, means it will just give a one line distance or one line gap. Then it will write console.write line hello. It will greet you with the hello text and your name. After that it will wait for your response whatever you do. If you press any key, any alphabet, any key, then it will shut down the program. Okay, now let's test it. Here it is the play button, start debugging, or you may press F5. When you press F5 it takes some time to load. Okay, it says enter your name, whatever your name is. You may type. Now press enter. It is still waiting for our user input. You may see it is still waiting for our user input. So read line indicated, this is a read line code, that after your name it is just reading it. Now I input my name, and now variable name stores whatever I give it to it. Now I press enter. Now it greets me with my name, and then still waiting, means console.read line. It is still reading the line. Whatever I give it to it, it will execute it. Now I press any key. It could be A, it could be S, it could be X, it could be enter. It will shut it off itself. So this is your first program. Okay, try to make it, and if you have any confusion you may ask me. Today's video lecture is over. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.